All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone else a part of the NLF community. So, today's video is going to be how to log into TradeLocker. And that is right, this is a proud moment for me because we obviously started with Match Trader. Now we've got MT5, and finally, we also have TradeLocker. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. All right, so just like the last login video, the first thing you will do is obviously go and get your details. I don't feel the need to explain in these login videos how to buy an account or anything like that. I feel like it's very self-explanatory, even for the first time traders out there. Hit the website, pick your account, and then pay for it. And this is exactly what you will receive. So, as you can see, if you have never traded with NLF before, this is what a login details email will look like. And obviously, as you scroll down, these are the important metrics. So you will want your login password or your login number, your password, that server, and your demo.trader.com URL. So the first thing you obviously want to do is go and open up that demo trader URL, and it'll take you to this trading section or the trading login page here. Now, the three things you will need is that email, that password, and that server. So if you come back, we will obviously pull the password first, being as that's the first thing it asks for, and you simply just plug it in. The next thing will be that password. So you come, you copy that password, go back to your login page, simply throw it in. You can actually, which is very nice because this is not what is on the MT5 logins, you can check to make sure everything is right. And I said this in the last video, always do a double check when logging into these platforms for the first time, because you'd be so surprised how many people put an extra space, an extra number or letter, or they don't copy it properly and they're missing a letter. So always just do a double check just to save yourself some time. But as you can see here, QX and then $4, QX $4, perfect. So now you've got your email, you've got that password. The last thing you're missing is that server. And for us, very nice. Next level LVL. You're going to just come over and plug that in right there. You got your email, you've got your password, and now you've got that server in. And the simple thing is to go and log in. Once you click login, you'll go save those details. And just like that, in a matter of seconds, boom, you are finally into that inner circle, is what they call it. Click accept. And just like that, well done. If you want to go through that walkthrough, as you can see, this is the first time on this Google Chrome account I'm logging into a TradeLocker account. But that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Within less than 5 minutes from getting those details or paying for your account, getting your details, you've now successfully logged in and you can start trading that TradeLocker account you've always wanted to. Now, the unfortunate thing here is I am filming this over the Easter weekend. So most of the market is unfortunately closed. So I can't actually go take a trade for you guys and show you what that would look like. I have scrolled the entire instrument list and never mind. We have a couple that are open, but this is very self-explanatory for any sort of trader for that matter. You'll go and click on your instrument. You'll throw your lots in. You may buy, you may sell. Let's turn this on, confirm, and just like that. Within less than 5 minutes, you've got your email, you've logged in, and you've taken your first trade. And I'm going to end it here before I blow this account. Thank you guys so much for watching another NLF video, and we'll see you again very, very soon.